Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to publish your app in Google Play Store. So first we have to click this, okay, and then click publish. Okay, so now we're in here. Okay, we need to publish it in MobineCube Store first before we can publish in Google App Store. So we need to click finish and publish version 1. Version 1 is where we will publish in MobineCube Store. So let's just wait for a while. Okay, so we have to click this, check, and then it means we have to agree to the following terms. This application meets MobineCube content guidelines. So now let's click OK, and let's just wait for a bit. So it's still here in the publishing queue. This might take a while, so I will pause this for now. Okay, so once it finished publishing in the MobineCube App Store, you can see it here, published version 1. Now we need to publish the in Android markets. So click finish and publish version 2. So it means that this will be our APK. Okay, so it's already published. We have to click the APK. Alright, so just click here, download. Okay. In here it says Google Play app signing. It's very important to click opt out of the new Google Play app signing. So this will happen later. I will show you later. When we submit to the Play Store, we will be prompted to Google Play app signing, and we need to click opt out. Alright, so for now, click download. Okay, just hold on for a bit. It's still downloading. Okay, you can see here it is downloading. So actually, I already downloaded this earlier. Okay, so this is the result. It's a zip file, puppy training. So what we need is to extract this file. So just right click and then extract to the folder, puppy training. Okay, so this will be the result, the folder puppy training. And then click it, and inside here is the APK. Okay, this is the APK, and this is what we will upload to Google Play Store. Okay, so just keep this handy. We will need this later. Okay, so next we need to go to a link. Okay, this is the link. It's play.google.com/apps/publish. Okay, so it's play.google.com/apps/publish. Alright, so we need to go to that link. Just go to that link. Okay, so we will be redirected to Google Play Console. And now you need the Google account, and you need to sign in to your Google account. Okay, so just click here, sign into your Google account. Okay, just wait for a bit. Okay, so once you sign in, this is what it looks like. Okay, so you have to scroll down here and click continue. Click this checkbox. Okay, it means you will agree to the Google Play Developer Distribution Agreement. So if you want to read this, you can open it in another window. But if you want to continue, just click this continue to payment. Okay, just click continue to payment, and we will be prompted to pay. Okay, we will pay $25. Okay, all apps that will be published to Google Play Store, you need to pay $25. But this is one-time fee only. Okay, so one-time fee, and you can publish unlimited apps. This is one time forever, only $25. You can publish as many apps as you want, only one-time fee. Alright, so here you need to put your credit card number, the credit card details, CVC. Okay, and then click pay. Alright, so I already paid, so we will just skip that. Okay, so now we will go to my account. So this account I already paid the $25, and here's a sample app that I made. it's already published in the Google Play Store. So now I will teach you how to submit app in Google Play Store. So first we have to click this create application and then put the title of the app. Okay, and then click create here. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and then we need to put a short description and the full description. So my advice here is you need to put in lots of keywords, but don't overdo it. But it's important that you put some keywords in there. So here is what I will put. Okay, so let me just copy that. Alright, so next we need some screenshots. Okay, so you need to be prepared for the screenshots. Later, I will teach you how to create the feature graphics. Okay, so you need several graphics here. You need an icon, a high-res icon. The size should be 512 by 512 pixels. And we also need a feature graphic, which the size would be 1024 by 500 pixels. Okay, so we also have a promo graphic here, but this is optional. You don't need to do this. But the high-res icon and the feature graphic is important. Okay, this is mandatory. If you don't submit this, then Google will not accept your app. So it's very important. So we also need screenshots, and we need at least 2 screenshots. Okay, but there's a maximum of 8 screenshots here. Later I will show you how to do that. Okay, so let's upload our high-res icon here. Just click add high-res icon. Okay, so let me just look for the graphics. Okay, so this is our icon. Okay, so it's a puppy. This is the puppy training icon. Okay, see what it looks like. This is 512 by 512 pixels. So now we will add the feature graphic. So just click it here, and I already made the feature graphic here. Okay, so let's just wait for it. And okay, so this is my feature graphic. And here we need to add at least one phone screenshot. Okay, but there's a maximum of 8 screenshots. The more screenshot, the better. So let's just upload the screenshots. Click browse files, and here are my screenshots. Okay, so I made 4 screenshots. If you want to see it in more detail, I will show you. This is what it looks like. This is the feature graphic. Okay, this is my feature graphic, and this is the icon. See, it's big. It's 512 by 512. And these are the screenshots. Okay, this is the screenshot of the app. Okay, so these are the screenshots. I made 4 screenshots. Okay, so let's go back here. So see, it's already uploaded. And now we need to, okay, so there's a promo video, but this is not required, so we can skip that. So next we will choose an application type. Okay, so click application and select a category. Okay, so my category would be education. It depends on your app. Okay, so website, this is not mandatory. We can skip this, and then put your email in here. There's a phone number, but it's not mandatory. We can skip that. And here is a privacy policy. This is important. This is mandatory. So we need a privacy policy URL. Okay, so this is the privacy policy URL for my app. Okay, you can copy this actually with your app. You can just copy this. So it's http www.myappterms.com/reader.php question mark lang equals n. So you can copy this and use this for your own app, okay? So just copy this. If you gonna make your own app, you can copy this privacy policy URL. Okay, so now let's click save draft. Okay, and now we're gonna answer all the other question here. So click here app releases. Okay, so here app releases, there's a production, beta, and alpha. So if we want the app to be live in the Google Play Store, then we have to click manage production. Okay, and then create release. Okay, this is where um, remember earlier, it says to opt out of Google Play signing. So click opt out, okay, and then click confirm. All right. So now we need to um, put the APK files here. Remember earlier we have an APK file where we download from the MobileCube website. So just click browse files, and here is, remember we downloaded the folder, the puppy training folder. So this is the APK file. Just upload it. Okay. And then enter a release name. We can just type version 1 or initial release. Or let's just type version 1. Version 1.0. Okay, so what's new in this release? Just type here initial release. Okay, so the APK is still uploading here. You can see here it's 4% complete. So I'll just pause this video until the APK is finished uploading. Okay, so the APK is already uploaded. We can see here it's version 1. Okay, it's already uploaded here. So now we need to click save. Okay, but it automatically saves, so it's already saved. Okay, so now we will go to the content rating. Okay, let's just click that content rating. Okay, so we need to click continue. Okay, this is where Google will rate. We need to rate our app. We'll have to answer a questionnaire. Alright, so here is the questionnaire. Put your email address. Okay, and then copy it again on the confirm email address. Alright, so select your app category. So it depends on what category of your app. So for me, it's educational. And then violence. Can the app contain violent material? So for my app, it is about puppy training. There's no violence there, so I click no. Can the app contain sexual material or nudity? So my app is about puppy training. No. Language. Can the app contain any potentially offensive language? I'll say no. Can the app controlled substance? Can the app contain references or depiction of illegal drugs? I'll say no. Miscellaneous. Does the app natively allow users to interact or exchange content with other users through voice communication, text, or sharing images or audio? I'll say no. Does the app share the user's current physical location with other users? I'll say no. Does the app allow users to purchase digital goods? I'll say no. Okay, and then it will click. We need to click save questionnaire. Okay, so once the save questionnaire, we need to calculate the rating. Okay, just click the calculate rating and it will show the rating for our app. Okay, so now that there is a rating for our app, we need to go down here and then click apply rating. Okay, click apply rating. So it's already applied to our app. And next we need to go to pricing and distribution here. Alright, just click this pricing and distribution. Okay, so we're now here in pricing and distribution. Okay, we need to answer this. So the application is paid or free. So if your app is paid, you have to click this, but if it's free, just click this, right? So my app is free. Okay, so now we need to answer the country's availability. Okay, so there are 142 countries, and you have to click this available. Okay, so is your app primarily directed towards children under the age of 13? I'll say no. Does your application have ads? Okay, so yes, it has ads. Device categories, Android Wear, so let's just skip that. Android TV, Android Auto, just skip that. User programs, just skip this. Okay, so marketing opt-out, just skip this. And then content guidelines, this application meets Android content guidelines, so just click this. And US export laws, I acknowledge that my software application may be subject to United States export laws, so just click this and then click save draft. Okay, so click here ready to publish. Okay, so your app is ready to be published. You can now publish your app by starting the rollout of a release in manage releases page. So go click here at manage releases. Okay, so this is okay, so now we're in the app releases page. So it says here in the production, you have a release in production that hasn't been rolled out. So you need to click edit release. Okay, and then you scroll down here and then click review. Okay, okay, so it says review and roll out. Okay, now click here, start rollout to production. This is located on the bottom part of the page. So it says here review and rollout, and then you scroll down and then click start rollout to production. Okay, your app will now become available to all users of the Play Store. Do you want to continue? So just click confirm. Okay, so Google, okay, it says here release 1.0 seconds full rollout. Okay, so now it's finished, and Google will send you a message because they will manually review your app also. So just hold on a bit. I will look for the message that Google sent me. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so Google sent me an email. It says IARC content ratings, rating certificate. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Google sent me an email. Okay, so there someone will review your app at Google. It will take about 3 hours, sometimes maybe one day. It depends. Okay, so expect it to be about one day, 3 hours, stuff like that, or sometimes it may take longer. Okay, but when it's ready, um, you can see it here. So this rating certificate is for my clean eating app. Okay, so I will show you my clean eating app is already on the Google Play Store. Okay, I will show you that it's already published. So the puppy training app that we made, it will take a while, maybe 3 hours, about 3 or more hours. Okay, so I will go to Google Play Store and I will show you the clean eating app. This Google Play Store, just go to play.google.com/store. and then click apps. Okay, so my app is called Clean Eating 101. So I'll just search it. Okay. So this is the app I made. So you can see it's made by Mobile Locals. Let's just click here. Okay, so this is my app. It's already in Google Play Store. Okay, so this is my app, Clean Eating 101. These are the screenshots. This is why Google is asking for screenshots because it will show in the App Store. Okay, so this is my description. Okay, these are my description. Okay, so that is how you submit an app to Google Play Store.